Let me ask you a question. If you were to meet a potential client today, how will you share your contact details? With a boring physical business card? Using virtual cards is way cooler. Hi, my name is TK, and today I will show you how to create your own virtual cards and how to share them. Virtual cards are cards that contain your contact details, social media handles, pictures, or any other information that you would like to share. Unlike physical cards, you do not have to share them in person. You can just create a QR code that can be printed or shared online. Anyone with this code can just scan it instead of having to type in. So how do you create a virtual card? Easy, just go to qrcodechimp.com. When you open the website, the home page has a list of options for QR codes you can generate. Select vCard Plus. It opens a page where you can create a vCard and generate a QR code. On the left side of the screen, you have the options for designing your vCard, and on the right side, you see a preview of your vCard. Now select your color, background image, profile picture, then enter your basic information and summary of what you do. Next, enter your website details, upload images of your work, then add your social media links. You can also add a loader image that shows before your vCard appears, then design the look of your QR code. Once you're done, click on Save QR Code. You'll be asked to sign up to create an account. After that, you create a campaign name for your QR code and save it in a folder. It shows you the QR code that has been saved successfully and gives you a link so you can share on your social media. Click on Go to Dashboard. You'll be taken to a page that shows the QR codes you've created and the other options. Click on the download option for the QR code you want to share. You can choose the size and format for the codes. Now you can either print it on the card or share it online. And there you have it. You just took your networking game to a whole new level. Let me know if this video was helpful in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos. Follow us on all our social media handles and follow me, TK Solarin, on Instagram. Bye for now.